How to remove follow button from your profile. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove this follow button on your profile. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile icon, and from there head over to your privacy and settings, and just open your settings on your computer or your browser. Because this feature is not available on the Facebook app, you will have to use your computer web browser or a web browser on your phone. Just scroll down and until you find audience invisibility, click on how people can find and contact you. Just make sure this is on friends of friends or everyone. So once you do that, just go down and go to your posts and make this just your friends. Now head over to followers and public content, and this is an important step, so you change this to who can follow me. Just click on public and set it to friends. Alright, once you do this, you can just go ahead and open your profile again, and to check you just have to enter the view mode. Click on these three dots and click on view as. Now as you can see, the follow button here is now gone. But if you want to add the friend request or add friend option on your profile, you can do the same thing. Go ahead and open your privacy settings and just follow those steps, and you'll see the add friend button as well. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.